Hello guys, welcome back to Electronic Secret. Today I want to show you an amazing app that lets you mirror your phone screen whether you are using an Android device or an iPhone directly to your TV, Android TV box, Firestick or other compatible streaming devices. One of the best things about this app is that it fully supports iPhone as well. Many screen mirroring apps don't work properly with iOS, but this one works surprisingly well. I have my iPhone here, so let's open the app. This is the app we are talking about. Once you open it, tap on Screen Mirror and then select Start Mirror. That's it. My phone screen instantly appears on the TV. As you can see, I can control everything directly from my phone. When I rotate the device, the TV screen rotates as well. The experience is very smooth, the quality looks fantastic, and it supports full HD and even 4K on supported devices. One of the best things about this app is that you can use it completely free at 720p resolution. If you want even better quality, such as HD or 4K streaming, premium plans are available, and you can check the pricing on their website. Let's open YouTube as an example. As you can see, YouTube works immediately. Here's my channel, and I can navigate everything without any issues. The video quality is excellent. You can zoom in, use your favorite entertainment apps, and cast everything directly from your phone to the TV. The app is available for Android phones, iPhones, Windows PCs, and Macs. You can even cast from your computer to your TV with ease. I have tested many screen mirroring apps before, and most of them either had poor video quality or were overloaded with advertisements. This one delivers a much better experience. It's especially useful when you want to enjoy content on a large screen. I personally use it from time to time, and so far it's been a great experience. Now let me show you exactly how to install it and set it up on your TV. We'll go through the entire process step by step. First, we need to download the app. For Firestick users, open the Amazon App Store and search for PigeonCast. Remember this name carefully. The app is called TVcast AirPlay PigeonCast. I will also place the download link in the video description below. The app has good ratings, it's ad-free, and it works really well. Of course, try it on your own device and let me know your experience in the comments. For iPhone users, sometimes you may not even need to install the app on your phone, but I still recommend doing so because it makes the connection process easier and more reliable. Now let's install the same app on the phone. Open the App Store and search for PigeonCast. Once the installation is complete, open the app. The first time you launch it, you will see a screen displaying a QR code, an IP address, and several connection options. You can connect from Android, iPhone, Windows, or Mac devices. The app is available on Google Play Store, Google Play, the Apple App Store, and even the Microsoft Store for Windows users. Now let's continue. When the app launches, it automatically searches for available devices. Here's an important note. Your phone, tablet, iPhone, Firestick, TV, or Android box must all be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is extremely important. Many people have multiple routers or Wi-Fi access points at home. If the devices are connected to different networks, the app may not detect them. In my case, my Firestick appears in the list, so I'll select it. A rating request may pop up. You can either rate the app now or choose later. Next, tap Start Mirror. You will then be asked to choose your preferred resolution. You can select 720p, 1080p, Full HD or even 2K depending on your device performance and network speed. If you are using an older device, I recommend 720p. For most users, 1080p Full HD is more than enough. You can also adjust the frame rate. You can leave it on auto or manually choose 30 fps or 60 fps. Keep in mind that 60 fps may require a stronger device and a faster Wi-Fi connection. For audio settings, you can decide whether the sound plays through both the phone and TV or only through the TV. Once you have selected your settings, tap Start. The app may ask for location permission. Simply allow it. If it requests microphone or audio permissions, select only while using the app. Then tap Start Now. And that's it. The iPhone connects instantly. As I mentioned earlier, the app works extremely well. You can share photos, videos, apps, presentations, and virtually anything displayed on your phone. The image quality is excellent, Full HD works perfectly, and you can even increase the resolution if your device supports it. Now let's take a quick look at the settings. You can rename your TV or streaming device, making it easier to identify if you have multiple devices in your home. You can also adjust AirPlay settings, resolution options, frame rate settings, and other preferences. For added security, you can enable a PIN code so that nobody can connect to your TV without your permission. This is especially useful if you have multiple users connected to the same network. There is also a feedback section where you can contact the developer directly. The developer has done a great job with this app. I have tested many alternatives and most of them are filled with ads or only allow screen mirroring for 15 to 30 minutes before disconnecting and asking you to pay. This app provides a much smoother experience. Now I would like you to test it and tell me what you think. Did it work well for you? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments because your feedback is always appreciated. I've placed the download link in the video description below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to Electronic Secret and give this video a thumbs up. I have many more useful apps, tips and tutorials coming soon. So make sure you are subscribed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.